Working my way through the API testing challenges at apichallenges.herokuapp.com, and I'm moving on to the accept challenges, and these are all about the accept header that we send in the request. And because they're all related to the get to dos, I'm not going to create a new request for that. I'm just going to use the existing get to dos request that I have. So the only thing that this currently has is an X challenger header so that we can track the requests. Now, the first thing that I'm going to look at is the get to dos with an XML format, because currently by default they're coming back as JSON format. So what I need to do is I need to add an accept header in here. Accept, and the value will be application. There are a whole bunch of values that we can add in here, but typically for REST APIs you're going to see application/XML or application/JSON, and if we don't put one of these in, the server will respond with its default. So now if I send this GET request on to-dos with this accept header set to application/XML, then I'm expecting to see the results in XML format, which it has. Now this might be better for my automated execution, this might be harder, who knows, but having the option is important, and that's really what we're testing here. We're testing that we can specify the format that the server will return to us, and we do that in the accept header. And because I put the X challenger header in, that challenge should now be passed, which it is. If you want to work through the challenges yourself, you can find all the information you need at eviltester.com/API challenges. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you're kept up to date with any of the videos we release showing API challenges or APIs in general or testing in general. We have a lot of content here. Subscribe to the channel and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.